What would you say if I told you a 1970 travel trailer had a dishwasher long before most apartments did? And what if I told you it still feels cozier than half the condos built today? Ladies and gentlemen, let me tell you about the moment I stepped into a 1970 Holiday Rambler 236 and immediately felt like I'd walked into the coolest retro apartment my neighbor Gary swears he almost bought back in '82, but missed it by 5 minutes. I believe this trailer still smells like avocado green dreams and road trip ambitions, and I mean that in the best way possible. Before we dive deeper, make sure to subscribe to the CampAvto channel, because I think you don't want to miss a guy like me climbing into vintage campers that weigh almost as much as my friend's ego after he installed LED lights on his Corolla. This 27-foot, 8.2-meter Holiday Rambler rolls in at about 5,700 pounds, 2,585 kilograms, and it's sold for $11,000, around 10,200 euros, for something built when disco was still socially acceptable. I think that's a steal. The aluminum exterior is finished in white with diamond pattern accents, sliding windows, clearance lights, and a campside entry door under a retractable awning that actually works. Unlike my buddy Tony's awning that tried to take flight in a Walmart parking lot, inside, the refurbishment looks surprisingly modern. I like the most how the open sleeping area up front feels bright, thanks to the wraparound windows. A full-size mattress with underbed storage sits beneath an overhead console with under-cabinet lighting, and even an electric fireplace. Because nothing says 1970s luxury like fake flames in a metal box. The kitchenette packs an electric cooktop, microwave, combination fridge, freezer, black basin sink, and even an under-counter dishwasher. Yes, a dishwasher in a 1970 travel trailer. My neighbor thought I was lying until I showed him the pictures. The laminate countertop extends into a dining area with 2 chairs, perfect for pretending you're classy while eating instant noodles. The rear bathroom is surprisingly spacious, with a walk-in shower, a toilet, a basin sink on a storage rack, and a fuse box mounted above like it's judging your life choices. Cooling is handled by a Coleman Mack rooftop AC unit, and the wood grain vinyl flooring ties the whole place together with the charm of a retro cabin that decided to glow up. And remember, there's a link under the video that explains everything much better than my friend who once thought tandem axle was a kind of dance move. Before you roll out, become a proud sponsor of our CampAvto channel for just $1. I believe that's less than the price of a gas station hot dog. And way less dangerous. The sponsorship link is in the description under the video.